Hello everybody, this is Mac, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get your Ethereum back from the Binance Network. This technique will work with your secret key as well as your Nano Ledger S. Now this is for anybody who's gone ahead and transferred your Ethereum or other tokens to the Bep20 network instead of the ERC20 network. So you're going to go ahead and accidentally send your ETH to the wrong network. And you go ahead and check that on the Binance Network page. How you know you did it wrong is it's going to show up on the Binance Network, not on the Ethereum network. But however, it will be the same address as on the Ethereum network because they just copied the Ethereum blockchain. Anyways, you can see it's put there, 0.00, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the metamask, and you're going to go ahead and add the Binance Network. This tutorial is on Reddit. I went ahead and posted here how to do it. So you can see all of my sources. The RPC, I went ahead and got that from the Binance API list. So you go down to the RPC, public RPC nodes, you just go ahead and copy that. And you're gonna go back to the Reddit page and copy, okay. Then you're gonna go ahead and go to your custom RPC, put in the network name, which is the Binance Smart Chain, and put in the URL, just copy and paste. Chain ID is 56. Symbol is BNB. If you don't put this, by the way, if you don't put what I'm putting here, it's not going to go ahead and work for you. It's not going to show your tokens. So you need to make sure you put this in exactly how I put it here. Or use a different RPC that's listed on the Binance website. That's fine. Go ahead and go down and click on the Binance Smart Chain. Make sure you're on the Smart Chain. Now, as you can see, I already put in some Binance coin. I also went ahead and added Ethereum. Now, if you don't add Ethereum, you can go ahead and how you can add Ethereum is you can go to the Ethereum address and on the Binance network, and then you can go ahead and just copy the Ethereum contract number and then put that in there and add it. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and send BNB to the account, which I already sent. You just send it to the account. You want to send it to the Ethereum address. It's actually your same as your Ethereum address on your Nano Ledger S, but it's actually, since you're using the BNB chain, it's going to be your Binance coin address, which is extremely confusing. Basically, just think of it like the Binance coin is the head coin, or is the mother coin, and then Ethereum is now the Binance coin. They just basically flip-flopped it. Anyway, so you're going to go ahead and send that. Then you're going to go ahead and go to Ethereum. And in order to send your Ethereum back to your Binance account, you're going to go ahead and go to Deposit. Okay, then you're going to go to your Bep20. Go ahead and copy your Bep20 address. Then go ahead and send to or paste the Bep20 address. In here it gets a little bit confusing because it'll say BNB here, but it's not actually BNB. It is your Ethereum that you're using. So you want to switch to your Ethereum, not Ethereum. You want to switch this little symbol right here with like the 3 colors. Then that'll show your actual Ethereum. Then hit max, it'll convert your Ethereum. Then hit next. And the next page, you'll go ahead and see that it says you're paying gas in Ethereum. However, that is actually paying gas in Binance coin on the Binance network, because metamask isn't necessarily built for the Binance network yet. They haven't integrated it. You put this in manually, so all of the symbols and everything are still kind of based off the Ethereum network. All of the icon images. So you're going to go ahead and send that. Then after a few minutes, you're going to wait. And it takes a while. You can, oh sorry, you got to confirm all that with your Nano Ledger. I did that on the side. Then you're going to go ahead and go to activity. You're going to see it's pending. It's being sent to that address. It'll say confirmed on the transaction. I had to use Firefox because Chrome does not work with MetaMask for me, especially with the Nano Ledger S. Then you go to the Binance withdrawal page and you can see your transactions complete. You have your Ethereum. Congratulations. Thank you for viewing and please subscribe for more awesome videos.